Today, we're taking a first look at the Samsung Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, Samsung's latest foldable smartphones. These phones are packed with new AI features, so let's dive in and see what they can do, design and display. The first thing you'll notice about these phones is their stunning designs. The Z Fold 6 unfolds into a tablet-sized display, while the Z Flip 6 clamshell design is perfect for one-handed use. Both phones are incredibly thin and light, making them a pleasure to hold in your hand. AI features: Samsung has really upped the ante with AI on these phones. The Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 both feature AI-powered noise cancellation, which can automatically adjust the volume of ambient sounds to keep you focused. They also have AI-powered language translation, which can help you communicate with people who speak different languages. Other features: in addition to the AI features, the Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 also have a lot of other great features to offer. They both have powerful processors, long-lasting batteries, and versatile camera systems. Overall impressions: so far, I'm really impressed with the Samsung Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. They're both beautiful phones with a ton of innovative features. If you're looking for a new smartphone, I definitely recommend checking these two out. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this first look at the Samsung Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews and updates.